Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of incoming calls not showing on WhatsApp. In the first, you should just follow me step by step. We will go to settings as you see here. Then in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find the application of WhatsApp, or you can search about it here in this sign of search. As you see, you can go to your WhatsApp here. Then in this page of app info, you will go in the first to permissions as you see here, and you will click. Then in this page you will check if the permission of call logs are accessed like this. For example, here you will go to call logs. You will click on allow to allow this permission of call logs. Here also you will check if this microphone allowed, and you will find here allow only while using the app, or you will click here ask every time. It's prefer to choose allow only while using the app here. And then you will go to this page again here of app info. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of storage, you will click on clear cache. After that, you will go to the window of Play Store. You will click here in this sign and you will search about the application of WhatsApp as you see here. And in this page, you will try to update your app. If you find here, of course, if you find update in this blue sign, and if it's not working with you, or if all these steps not working with you, then you should just uninstall your app and you can install your app again to fix that problem. So that's all. That's how can you fix the problem of incoming calls not showing on the application of WhatsApp. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.